Hello, Mr. Jones. Because a picture speaks 1,000 words, I'm going to show you an illustration of what I'm sending to you in email for the proposed functionality. So here's a mock-up of the sheet that I'm proposing. I'm calling similar matches, and it will have a table here that will record all of the matches that are found that you're looking for and give you the option to specify what action to take on those. The central functionality I'm proposing here is that you be able to compare range the values in one range to the values in another range in this way. So we hit look for similar, and let's call range 1 a list of values in your album CD artists. We'll just grab, are these the artists? These are the artists. Let's grab a whole bunch of artists. See, hopefully we've got some interesting ones, and we'll compare those to a bunch of artists in the tapes. Again, hopefully we have some interesting ones, and we'll compare the two ranges and start. Okay, and then here are the matches that are found. Now, it's one interesting thing to do here also is to, instead of comparing two different ranges, you might wish to look for differences of spelling within a single range. So again, if I click this and I choose only one range, let's say I'm going to go to the tapes artists. Let me get a big fat selection, several hundred rows worth, maybe 700 or so. And I'll say just compare within a single range. Don't compare to another, but compare all values in the range to all other values within a range, and look for variations within. You'll notice we find a lot, these differences between Jackson 5 and the Jackson 5, etc. So this is just to show you that there's a variety of ways in which you might wish to look for similar matches at different levels of matching. We might give you a range of strictness of matches here. And then once you've got them, you can make some decisions here about whether you wish to allow some of these to stay. Trying to find, let's say, for example, the Dells and the Deal are indeed two different acts. Well, then here you might say, I don't want to make any change. Leave that alone. So you just go through here and make whatever decisions you wish to make. The default might be for you to declare your first range as the authoritative range, but then maybe by default you might say, well, in this case I want the value that's in range 2 to replace the 1 and 2 in 1. So you can just make those, and then once you've made your audits here, you say make corrections, you'll be prompted, and then if you click OK, the spellings will be changed. But that I'm only prototyping now. I haven't implemented the actual spelling changes. Okay, so I hope that illustration helps to give you a live idea of what this might look like and provide a way, something for you to react to. Let me know if this matches what you're looking for, and I look forward to hearing from you.